Hey there, want to clean up your Gmail inbox and delete all those old emails at once? Let's dive in. First things first, open your web browser and type gmail.com in the address bar and open the Gmail. Once you are in, click on the inbox. Now click on the little box above your emails. That's right here. Click on it. This selects all the visible emails on the current page. Now with everything selected, simply click on the trash icon at the top to delete all those emails. Click on it. As you can see, your conversations and mails has been moved to bin. Don't forget to check your trash folder. It's where all your emails go after deletion. To permanently remove them, go to the trash, that is bin, click on it and again click on this. Once you select it, click on delete forever and that's it. Your conversations has been deleted forever. It's super simple and easy. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit that like button, share and subscribe our channel for more easy to follow tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.